Welcome to the delightful world of homemade bread baking. Let's start with a simple recipe. First, combine 1 packet of active dry yeast with a cup of warm water and a teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. In a large bowl, mix 3 cups of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of salt. Make a well in the center and pour in the yeast mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix until a dough forms. Knead on a floured surface for about 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for an hour, or until doubled in size. Punch down the dough, shape it into a loaf, and place it in a loaf pan. Let it rise for another 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven, 375 F19 OC for 25 to 30 minutes. Your delicious, golden brown homemade bread is ready. Enjoy the warm, comforting aroma and taste of freshly baked bread right from your kitchen.